listen. Welcome to the Nerf War.
Part 1.
Part 1. This is October the 28th, 2015.
Ow. Part 1.
Tell me your name, Sergeant. Tell me your name.
Right.
And tell me your name.
Mason.
Right, Mason. Right, okay, so the Nerf War begins now. What happens, you get a point for a hit. Is that all right?
Yes.
Let the games begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, we need to collect.
So you've got to find weapons. Ryan's found one straight away. Excellent. Danny's got one. Brilliant. Bobby's looking. Bobby's found one. Sergeant Bobby. And there's his Colonel Mason. Dan, retreat, retreat. You're being attacked.
I'm going to use the mega one.
Oh, what a shot.
Mega! Yeah! We need bullets.
Right, look over there.
Bobby! Yeah! Give me! Yours.
Get him, Dan.
Machine gun!
Not too close, Bob.
Bullets going in. Yeah!
What a great battle this is.